Hello friends, thank you so much for liking my earlier video. If you didn't see this video yet, please find the video link at below description. The video was about how to create a simple web page using HTML. And in this video, you will learn about the HTML tags that we can find at every web page. So, what these HTMLs are? These are HTML, head, title, link, script, and body. All these HTMLs we can find at every web page. Let's see the example here. Look at here, the HTML, head, title, link, script, and body tag. Okay, if we see another example here, look at here, HTML, head, title, and link, body, and script tag. So we can find all these HTMLs at every web page. Before describing these elements, I would like to say something. In HTML, most of the tags are paired with opening and closing tag. What's the meaning of that? Let's see the simple example here. This is opening HTML tag and this is closing HTML tag. The difference between opening and closing tag is only this /. We have another example, head opening, head closing, and difference is only /. Body opening, body closing, div opening, div closing, button opening, and button closing. So we can find various examples like this. There is another category which is called self-closing tag. For example, this image tag is self-closing tag. It doesn't have tag closing tag like div, body, and HTML. This ensures the tag closes itself. Another example of this category is break and link tag. We can find many more examples like this. So let's move to the HTML tag. HTML tag is root tag, and every other HTML tags are wrapped under the root tag. For example, all these HTML does exist between the opening HTML and closing HTML. In most cases, there will be the single HTML for single web page. Let's move to the head tag. Head tag is basically used to add resources for your web page. For example, this title is used to display the title for your web page. Let's see the example here. Look at here. This introduction essential HTML tags. Okay, this is the title we have just defined between opening and closing as title tags, as we have done here. This. Okay. Let's move to the link tag. Link tag is basically, used to add CSS to your web page. For example, this would be the path for your CSS file. Okay. Now you might thinking, what is CSS? CSS is used to beautify your web page, and it is used to organize your content. Let's see the example here. Look at this beautiful website. This header, background color, this alignment, okay, this header, the hover effect over the button. Look at here. It looks nice, okay. And if we scroll down, look at the content. It's so organized, okay. All these things can happen through the CSS. So CSS can be the great tool for your web page, and it can be added through the link tag. We have another tag, script tag, and script tag is basically used to add JavaScript to your web page, and this would be the path for JavaScript file. Now what is JavaScript? JavaScript is used to make your web page interactive. Let's see the example here. Look at this beautiful website. Okay, And if we click the view the data here, can you see the animation here? And if we click here, look at the changes here. It's so fantastic. Okay, and if I mouse over here, look at here the changes on hover mouse. So this is amazing, and this thing can happen through the JavaScript. Okay, after using JavaScript to your web page, your visitors will be engaged on your websites. So JavaScript can be added through the script tag. We have another tag, body tag. Body tag is used to hold the information that you want to display for your site visitor. Let's say the example here. If we have a heading tag, an image tag, and button that we want to display for our visitor, that does exist between the body tag. Like all these things are existing between the body opening and body closing. So if we see the example in browser of this web page, look at here, this would be the content. Okay, and if I do inspect element here, heading, image, and button. So body tag is basically used to contain your information that you want to display for your site visitors. So what we have learned today, we have learned these are the HTML tags that we can find at every web page. HTML is the root tag, and every other HTMLs are wrapped under this root tag. Head tag is used to add resources to your web page. For example, title is used to display the title for your website, and link tag is used to add CSS to your web page. JavaScript can be added through the script tag, and body tag is used to display the information for your site visitors. So that's it for the day, guys. If you found my video is useful, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a nice time and bye bye.